Morning, everybody. I've seen the following question asked several times on the Facebook group, which is how can I edit or find out how to edit or where to edit specific SEO meta information. So for the ones that don't know about what meta information is on your browser, if you press, like if you go to a specific page, doesn't matter which page, you press Control U, at least on Windows and Linux, you're gonna see this code somewhere at the top. It's always gonna be somewhere at the top. So on BD, you see, the title of the page, and then some additional information. This is not used at all since 2009, just in case. So it doesn't matter what you put there; it's never gonna be used or for index or for anything. But the description and the title are. On social media sites, when you actually share it, you have this. It's called OG or Open Graph. And a lot of people are like, okay, where do I edit? Obviously, the title is it's a little bit easier. There's just one specific place where you can go there and edit that part. But everything else, depending on the page that you're on, will change where you need to go to actually do it and change it. For what? For Google to actually show the information about your site in a nice way, or in the way that it's supposed to be showing, depending on what you put here. For Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or LinkedIn, when you share your a page from your site, um, they actually show anything relevant that you put here. Okay, so sometimes what's there matches great with your site, but sometimes you actually need to fix it or tune that a little bit. So the last question that I saw today was about here, about the search results pages. Okay. So, but this applies to another question that I saw about the public profile that somebody wants to customize the public profile. Because if you again Control U, you see, the title, the name of the person, um, the the category or top category, maybe their industry or something along the lines of what this member is. Okay, and they actually start on the descriptions, or they start talking about where they're located, their reviews, their thingamajig, their URL, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's tackle the last one, the last question that I saw on the group, um, because this one's one of the most difficult ones to actually find. So for the title, here it is. That's your title. The end. Whatever you put there on settings, general settings, that would be the title of the site. Okay, related to the title of the site. So if I come here, I press Control U, you can see, well, the title is going to change here in this particular case, but in most other pages that don't change the title, they're gonna use this one. Okay, something along the lines with that. I'm showing you this because in many pages, this couple ones here, especially these three, they actually get reused a lot in the SEO. So if I go to what's called a static page, like if I go to my content web page builder or just click here, it'll take me to the web page builder. And if I try to go, let's just do a couple here. So let's do, let me see, member by location, just a couple there. All these static pages, static means they don't change. You literally need to change the code here for the thing to actually change. They have this special labels which are used on the SEO. And for example, this website name would actually be this one here. So this developer team, when it shows here, it would say join developer team today. Join developer team, create your account today. This industry and profession, you guessed it, they are here, industry and profession. So software engineer would turn into software, comma, software engineer, something like that here. Okay, so it's just to remind you where you can find out where to change these specific ones. Okay, but for static pages, you actually just go to that specific page, SEO settings, and you change your information here. these are the easy ones to edit. Okay, these are the easy ones to edit. And anybody that actually took their time to watch all the other videos or even the brain directories videos, anything regarding editing a single page, you should have seen this one and the the ones in the general settings. So that you're good there. You're good there. Okay. So again, here's one SEO setting for this, the home page in this case. Here's another one for another page there, another one for the about contact page. For example, you want to change something there in regards to that, and so on and so forth. They're just static pages, okay? But what happens if you end up on that particular question? This is a dynamic page. So SEO dynamic pages, dynamically generated pages, meaning pages that constantly change are found on my content SEO templates. Those pages that constantly change are typically the search results pages. Okay, in any regard, it could be the let me show you here. It could be the public profile of the member, which is this specific one. It could be the search results with different variables that are being used there, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of them. The problem here is that you don't know to which one to edit or go because it doesn't say here anywhere where to go. So there's two ways of doing this. You either click on the admin bar and you get this here, and you're like, oh, I'm supposed to edit that specific one, and then they take you to the 300 one. See, you see it here, and you customize this, and you're done. I'm not gonna do it this way. I'm gonna show you the other case. It's a little bit more difficult, but it's for those BD owners that they don't have an admin sidebar. Okay, so for you, if you don't have that there, or for some reason it's not working, you go to settings, design settings, custom CSS, and we're gonna add special code here. Okay, we're gonna add special code. It's a PHP code, and we're gonna say if dollar underscore get, all capital letters get. Let's say show SEO. Then we're gonna do an echo page template ID. That's it. Okay. So just this lines, and we're gonna save that puppy. And now, how do I use this thing here that shows SEO? You put it here in the URL. You put it literally in the URL. So I'm gonna paste the URL here, and you would do something like this: question mark, and then show SEO equals 1. Okay, let me put more space there so you can actually see it. See? Show SEO equals 1, unless there's already a question mark. If there's already another thing that's using a question mark, you put an ampersand, like that. That's it. But if I do this, show SEO, it's gonna do something on the top left corner of the page. It's gonna print out, you can see here, up here, the 300. It's grayed out because I got the admin sidebar here, but you see a 300. That 300 means that this is the SEO template 300. So you would basically just look for the 300 here. Again, I mean my content SEO templates, and you look for the 300 there somewhere. Okay. Once you get to that 300, oh, there it is. Okay. So this is the one that I'm supposed to edit. So this is one way for the people that can't see an admin sidebar. And for the ones that can, they could just click there and click this puppy. Both of them are going to take you to the same place. Okay, both of them are going to take you to the same place. So I click here. And let's edit this. Before I edit this, I want you to actually visually see the meta information. So I got here software events. Find software engineer events. In the description, I got find the best software events now. This and that and blah, blah, blah. Software engineers near you. Okay, let's start editing this a bit. Okay. Let's put in some garbage there. Let me save it. Let me refresh this page. Okay. And here you have software events. Find software engineer events. Some garbage. Garbage here, garbage there, garbage everywhere. But at least this gives you the idea of, oh, so that's how I can guess, actually determine which SEO template I'm supposed to be editing on a specific page and where to actually go there and customize. Okay, let me refresh this here. It's supposed to show there. There we go. And there you go. So again, the fun fact about this sidebar showing or not showing. Let me go to another page. For example, how it works. Let's assume that you don't know how to customize the SEO there. Then here you see, instead of saying it's a template, it actually tells you it's a static page. Click there, and it actually takes you to the static page. Okay, and you can like, oh, okay, I see. But let's say that you don't have the admin sidebar, because if we put that show SEO code, then if it doesn't print anything, it's a static page. That's the way that you would also, in the case that you're using this trick, if you don't see that, that's a static page, meaning that you're supposed to look for, like, I'm in the about page right now, slash about, you're supposed to go to web page builder and look for the about because there's no ID, SEO ID for it. So that means that it has to be in here somewhere. So, oh, look, it's page 4. I mean, it's page ID 4 here. And that's it. This is the quickest way of you knowing where to go, what to edit for SEO related stuff. There's another video that actually talked about this more in depth, but now how to guess which SEO template you're supposed to be editing and how you can guess that. So I hope this video helps everybody. Think positive and big hugs. Bye.